David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go.
Dwight Eisenhower was a significant figure in the mid-20th century. He was the supreme commander of Allied forces in Europe in World War II, president of Columbia University, and the 34th President of the United States. Eisenhower was president during a time of unprecedented economic prosperity. In foreign policy, he was an internationalist and focused on containing the spread of communism. Domestically, he was a moderate. He kept all FDR's New Deal programs, expanded Social Security, and signed the Civil Rights Act of 1957.
Eisenhower Memorial is in a wonderful location for visitors. We're right across the street from the Air and Space Museum, catty-corner from the Museum of the American Indian, and right at the base of Capitol Hill and close to the Botanic Gardens. So if you're in the vicinity, definitely stop by.
Dedicated in 2020, the memorial mostly focuses on Eisenhower's role in foreign affairs. I think the memorial's most effective device is the statue of young Ike. Born in Texas and raised in Abilene, Kansas, the young boy, like all children, sits and dreams of the future. There are grand events in front of him, but they can't be seen from here. D-Day was the largest amphibious invasion in history. Eisenhower managed an operation that's sheer size and logistics in a pre-computer age still boggle the imagination. This sculpture is based on the photographs of Ike talking with the men of the 101st Airborne Division the evening before they parachuted into enemy-controlled France. This sculpture represents Eisenhower's achievements in foreign policy. Notice the map of the world behind his White House desk. The men around him, 2 civilians and a military officer, are not representations of specific people, but show the often competing demands of civilian and military priorities that Ike had to reconcile. Unfortunately, Ike's most important legacy, his perceptive message to future America about the dangerous influence of the military-industrial complex, is hidden behind this sculpture. Behind all of this runs a 450-foot wire tapestry depicting the peacetime beaches of Normandy, the site of the D-Day invasion.
Overall, I think Ike deserved better. The tapestry really doesn't have a very clear image of Omaha Beach, and the reliance on one type of stone gives it a rather monotone feel. The absence of any type of water feature that could provide some cooling in the summer and provide a meditative alternative to city noise is rather bewildering. I do, however, think it will look much better as these trees mature. Nonetheless, do visit this site. It's a wonderful opportunity to reflect on the life and times and service of Dwight Eisenhower. As usual, if you have any comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.